Hey guys, welcome to your tax tips for today. So today we're going to talk about 2 ways that you can fix a tax return that you made a mistake on, or you filed the wrong thing, or you didn't have all your information together, so you missed something. There's 2 ways to fix that. You can either supersede the return or you can amend the return. Most people know what amending means, but a lot of people don't understand what superseding means, and that's really the best way if you fall within those guidelines. So let's talk about that today. So before you do that, press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell so that you're notified the next time I post a tax tip or a business growth tip for you. Okay, so 2 ways to fix a tax return mistake. If you made an error on your tax return, don't worry. There are 2 ways of fixing it. You can either supersede the return or you can do an amendment, amend the return. So a superseding return is something that most people don't understand what that means and that it's available to them. And what that means, it's an amended return. You're correcting your mistake, and you've already filed your original return, but you found that mistake before your original due date or the extended due date if you had an extension. So that means, say for instance, it's your individual tax return. You got on the ball, you got all your stuff to your CPA, and they filed the return before April 15th. Well, now, you actually filed it in February because you thought you were great, you got everything together. Well, then you got another 1099 that you forgot about, so you didn't report that income on that original return. But it's not April 15th yet, so you give that new 1099 to your CPA or your tax preparer and say, hey, we need to fix the return we filed because here's this new 1099. And it's not April 15th yet, the original due date of that return. So they can correct that original return and call it a superseding return. And that way, it just basically replaces it. The IRS looks at that as, oh, they filed one return, we've got this new return here before the due date. We're just going to take this new return and throw away the old. It's superseding it, okay? It took the place of. Now, an amended return means that you already filed your return, you found that you made a mistake and need to correct it, but that April 15th deadline's already passed. Or if you had filed an extension, that October 15th deadline's already passed. Say it's the next year, the next calendar year, and you found the mistake and you need to fix it. That's fine. We can amend the return, but that's called an amended return, okay? And so those are 2 ways that you can fix a mistake on your return. With the IRS, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. If you made a mistake, fix it as soon as you know about it, and it will save you on penalties and interest accruals the quicker you get that fixed, all right? It just eliminates a lot of headache. So don't worry if something like that happens to you. Just contact your tax preparer and get it fixed as soon as you know that it needs to be done. So I hope that helped you out. Be sure to check the description below. I've got lots of helpful links on how to grow your business, how to save on taxes, and ways to contact me if you have personal questions about your business. And also comment below on new video ideas, any topics you want me to cover and make a video about. I'd love to hear from you.